Great traders. We're looking at a trade called Vodacom. At the bottom of the cycle, most probably can pick up. We look to enter here at 146. It's currently here at 147. Needs to come down to 146. Take profit 155 and to stop loss 143.70. It's a long trade. If I go for 60 shares, I still get a 1 to 2 ratio. I'm willing to lose 237.08 and I'm willing to make 437. It's very important to play with the quantities. Even on 50 shares, I get a 1.2 ratio, but make sure what you're willing to lose and what you're willing to gain. Looking at the physical trade itself, or the charting of it, you will basically see all these support levels that I'm indicating to you now. And that is why we're looking at the entry of 146. You can see the sellers started to fade out, and there's less sellers happening. Share stabilizing. You can see the indicators on the stochastics also at the low bottom here. So that is why we're waiting for most probably a pull up to happen on this specific share. Enjoy the trade.